little bit nervous. It's
How about
part of
you? How about you, Kyle?
Good.
Good. Short, concise. Mga dapat. Brief. Alright, are you ready, Kyle? Alright, pick your question.
Okay, Kyle. Your question is, what is the most important advice you've learned from your parents? How it is significant to you? Again, what is the most important advice you've learned from your parents? How it is important to you?
Good afternoon, everyone. I believe the best advice from my parents is about being kind and always learning. They taught me that a kind heart makes a big difference in how we connect with others and the world at the same time. They encourage me to keep learning every day, reminding me that knowledge is a journey that never ends. So I believe in being kind and staying curious, simple yet powerful ways to live fulfilling life.
Alright. Being kind. Sana lahat ng tao sa mundo kind. Diba? Alright. So, isa na lang balik.
Okay, candidate number 3. Your question is, who is your inspiration in joining Mr. and Miss Madisonian 2024? Again, who is your inspiration in joining Mr. and Miss Madisonian 2024?
Good afternoon.